Now I am going to enter Madhyama Kala Kriti composed by Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya, composed in the Raga Saraswati Manohari, set to Tishanadi Aditala, Karaniso Taye Maye Shivajaye. I learned this Kriti from our Guru Vidushi Srimati Ashwini Satish Madam. Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya was born in the year 1865. He has composed in popular Samkritis like Brochevara Radra Kamaj, ದೇವಾತಿದೇವ ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸುದೇವ ಇಂದ್ರಾಗ್ ಸುನಾದ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ರಾರಾ ರಾಜೀವಲೋಚನ ಇಂದ್ರಾಗ್ ಮೋಹನ ಭಜರೆರೆ ಮಾನಸ ಇಂದ್ರಾಗ್ ಅಬೇರಿ ಮಾ ಮಮತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಾಗ ಇಂದೋಳ. He has written 3 books like ನಾಕಂಡ ಕಲಾವಿದರು, ನೆನಪುಗಳು, ವಾಸುದೇವ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಮಂಜರಿ. He learnt elementary lessons from his uncle. He also learnt further lessons from Sri Vinay Padmanabhaya. He also wanted to learn lessons from Sri Vinay Sheshana. Once Sri Vinay Sheshana took Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya to a concert at Coimbatore and introduced to the audience that Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya is a good musician with melodious voice. When Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya started rendering kritis, audience laughed at him. Realizing that audience were laughing, Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya immediately rendered slokas in Sanskrit language. Audience were astonished and appreciated him. While returning from Coimbatore to Mysore, Sri Vinay Sheshana challenged Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya to learn Attatala Varna in Raga Shankaravarna. Though both of them were traveling different bogies, whenever train stops at each station, Sri Mysore Vasudevacharya would come to the bogie of his guru Sri Vinay Sheshana and learn 2 lines. Before returning Kantam station, he rendered the Varna fully and the guru asked him, student, he has composed Swarajiti, Tanavarna, Kriti. He sang in Vasudeva. He was an expert in rendering Tana and Naraval. He has got some awards like Sangita Kalanidhi, Sangita Kala Kovida. He was a recipient Padma Bhushana. After listening to a concert, he wanted to learn lessons from Sri Patna Subramaniar. Mysore Maharaja sent him by giving letter and scholarship. He stayed at Thiruvayur for 7 years and learned under Sri Patna Subramaniar. After returning from Thiruvayur, he was appointed court musician. He used to compose kritis in languages like Sanskrit and Telugu. At the request of Maharaja of Mysore, he composed his kriti in Kannada language. Sare ga ma da sa sa da ni pa ma ga ri sa. Saraswati Manohari Raga is Janya of 28 Malari Kamboji. The Suraskami Raga Shadja, Chaturshruti Rishabha, Antara Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyama, Chaturshruti Devata Narohana, Kaishiki Nishada Kamsan Avarohana. Resides on Auda Vakra Sampurna Raga in Arona Panchama Nisharvarja Unakruti. Karuni so taye Karuni so taye Maye Shivajaye Karuni so taye Maye Shivajaye Karuni so ताये माये शिवजाये कारुणी सो ताये माये शिवजाये कारुणी सो ताये माये शिवजाये हरिये सो दरिये ना नारिये निन्न महिमेयनो करुणिसो ताये माये शिवजाये हरिये सोदरिये नारिये निन्न महिमेयनो करुणिसो ताये ಶರಣರನ್ನು ಪೊರೆವ ವಿರೋಧ ಮರೆತಿರುವುದು ಸರಿಯೇ. ಶರಣರನ್ನು ಪೊರೆವ ವಿರೋಧ ಮರೆತಿರುವುದು ಸರಿಯೇ. ಸೂರಮುನಿಗಣ ಏ ಹಿಮಗಿರಿ ತನಯೇ ಸದಯೇ. ಸೂರಮುನಿಗಣ ಏ ಹಿಮಗಿರಿ ತನ್ನ ಏ ಸರಯೇ. ಸಾರಿ ಗಮದ ಸದ ನಿಪ ಮಾದ ಸದ ನಿಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ನಿಪ ಮಾದ ಸ sa 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 ri ga ma sa da ni pa ma da sa da ni pa ma ga ri ga ma da sa da ni pa ma ga ri sa da ga ro ni sa o ta ye ma ye shiva ja ye hari ye so da di ye na na ri ye ni na ma gi me ye no karuni so ta ye श्री राज राजेश्वरी करुणा करि श्री मगी शोरपुरा देश्वरी जगदीश्वरी श्री राज राजेश्वरी करुणा करि श्री मगी शोरपुरा देश्वरी जगदीश्वरी निरोतनिन चरण कमल स्मरणेयनो मारयना सरसि जामुगी परि परियली पोरे श्री चामुण्डेश्वरी निरोतनिन चरण कमल स्मरणेयनो मारयना सरसि जामुगी परि परियली पोरे श्री चामुण्डेश्वरी सारि ग म द स द नि प म द स द नि प म ग रि स द नि प म द स स स स स स स स सा रि ग म स द नि प म द स द नि प म ग रि ग म द स द नि प म ग रि स द ग रो नि स ओ ता ये मा ये शिव जा ये हरि ये सो ದ ರಿ ಗೆ ನ ನರಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗಿಮೆಯನು ಕರುಣಿಸೋ ತಾಯೇ I am sure like my ways in this kate. Please press the like button, bell button, subscribe button and share to friends and relatives.